Hello, Ivy Army. I'm here to share some major highlights on the continued court hearing of Nnamdi Kanu'S at the Federal High Court, Abuja, Nigeria. May I also register that I've not seen a reasonable progress in the court hearing processes. It's looking to me like a merry-go-round, like I don't know why they keep going every day and they're not doing anything. Do you understand? That's what we call the law of diminishing return. You understand? Of course, remember your economics. So when you keep doing the same thing over and over again, it starts losing its value. Sincerely, I don't understand why people will gather themselves together to do almost nothing. You understand? Now, the maximum witness of DSS only came this time around to say that Nnamdi Kanu'S smuggled the transmitter into the country, that NBC did not give him the approval. Is that what they will be sitting in court to talk about? For a man that you are arrested for, is it 4 or 5 years right now? For God's sake, I don't understand this. Then there's a recycling of the issue of burying Nkonso with somebody's head. What is this? These are unfounded lies. It doesn't worth the waste of time, for God's sake. You can't keep doing the same, saying the same thing, repeating the same thing over and over again. That's not a case for me. Like that should not constitute news. One of the major highlights was that some foreign observers were spotted in the court during the hearing, which I sincerely do not know their mission. As soon as I'm able to uncover it, I definitely will bring it your way. EC did not issue a license for Nnamdi Kanu'S to bring in the transmitter into the country. For crying out very loud. Okay, Barrister Nnamdi now asked him, okay, are you aware that Radio Biafra London was registered in UK and they broadcast from there? He said yes, that he's aware, but that when they arrested Nnamdi Kanu'S in 2016, that they arrested him with his broadcasting equipment. And so what about that? And so that's why I'm calling it a merry-go-round. There's no progress in this. Then another baffling thing is, onye Igbo na-eli nni na-aṅụ mmili adịrị etie nni n'imi ịbịakwuru na testify against Nnamdi Kanu. Na mgbe no that name Uzoma Benjamin ka onye amị ka ogini, when I heard that name, Jesus Christ, I paused. Na many ihe na-emekwa mecha nsị unu na Igbo abụrụ ofu na sim na Igbo bụ ofu. Kedu otu Igbo si bụrụ ofu? Nwanna na-egbu nwanne ya. Cheni eche na nwanna na-egbu nwanne ya. Nwanna na-egbu nwanne ya. So again, they combed up the issue of Ahmed Golak, former security aide or former president of Nigeria, Goodluck Jonathan. They combed up the issue again. This was discussed during the witnessing of, is it BBB or AAA? Why are we talking about it in DDD right now? This is a fourth witness. Okay, when Barrister Nnamdi now asked him, he said that he was not aware that Imo State government issued a statement concerning Golak's DATH, that it was political. He said he was not aware of that. What is this? Why are they combing up and petting around, actually? Why are they petting around with petty things like this? Let them go straight to the point and end this thing. Where in the world can this happen? What kind of judgment and what kind of court process that is become endless? It doesn't have an end. In the Western world, there will be a timeline to this case. Maybe we're going to be doing this for the next 1 month. We're going to be doing this for the next 3 months or something. Not forever. There's a timeline. How many years right now? Come on. How many years? Okay, now let me shock you right now. Do you know that at the end of the hearing, Justice James Omotosho adjourned the hearing to 19th of June 2025 so that, listen, so that the prosecution team will produce their 5th witness. So we've had AAA, BBB, CCC, DDD, and now we are headed to EEE. How many more are we going to have? And that's why we come and start combing up the same thing again. Sincerely, I mean, if there's no changes in this narrative, if they're not going to make progress with this, I might as well not talk about it again. I'm so busy right now. Every 5 minutes of my time is like a diamond right now. So what I'm doing is born out of passion. It is out of the passion that I have for what I do. That is why you see me here. So if they're going to continue with this recycling, sincerely, I may not do anything. I may not say anything about it subsequently until they get reasonable and serious with the court process. So that is it. I'm not into coming to read it word to word today because there's no difference. And why would I be wasting your time and data? Why would I be wasting your time and data? So, I don't know. So, I'm sorry if you watched the video. What do you think? Please share your thoughts respectfully in the comment. Let's be safe. Don't abuse anybody. Don't bring bad energy. Spread love. And of course, don't forget to smash the like button. Favorite this video, repost it and share it with all your contacts. This is where I'm going to peg it today until I come your way some other time. See you at the top because the ground is way too crowded. Bye-bye.